સ્ટીલ ટ્રાન્સલેટિંગ વર્ડ બાય વર્ડ પાર્ટ 1 જોયું હશે. But today we go advanced. Hello everyone. I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Today you will learn real sentence like native thinking. No translation. Only natural speaking. Let's jump in. First we see quick revised rule. Number 1. No translation word by word. Second number. Meaning is more important than words. And third. First understand, then feel and last speak. Now advanced sentence practice. Number 1. I have been waiting for you. Translation is હું તારી રાહ જોઈ રહી છું. Is it correct? No. Correct is હું તારી રાહ જોઈ રહી છું. Next one. I didn't mean that. Translation is મેં એવો અર્થ નહોતો. Is it right? No. Correct is મારો એવો મતલબ નહોતો. Next one. What are you up to? Translation is તમે શું ઉપર છો? Is it correct? No. Correct is તમે શું કરી રહ્યા છો? Last one. It doesn't matter. Translation is એ મહત્વ નથી. Is it correct? No. Correct is એથી કોઈ ફરક પડતો નથી. Now real life conversation. Let's practice. Where are you going? તમે ક્યાં જઈ રહ્યા છો? I am going to meet my friend. હું મારી દોસ્તને મળવા જઈ રહી છું. Call me when you reach. તમે પહોંચો ત્યારે ફોન કરજો. Okay, don't worry. સારું, ચિંતા ના કરીશ. See, natural, not word by word. Now thinking training. Now upgrade your brain. Think directly. I feel tired. મને થાક લાગ્યો છે. I am excited. હું ઉત્સાહિત છું. No translation. Only thinking. Now practice challenge. Your turn. Pause video and try. Let's start. I will call you later. She has finished her work. We should leave now. He didn't understand. Now show answer. હું પછી તને ફોન કરીશ. તેણે પોતાનું કામ પૂરું કર્યું છે. આપણે હવે જવું જ જોઈએ. તેને સમજાયું નહોતું. Now professional tip. Learn chunks, not words. Example. Don't worry. ચિંતા ના કરશો. Take care. ધ્યાન રાખો. Ready-made sentence means fast fluency. So guys, remember, fluent speakers don't translate. They think in meanings. Comment below advanced. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.